Hey guys, so I'm going to replace the Dyson Purifier Cool air filters. Now there's two air filters on this Dyson Purifier Cool. The app will tell me whether or not the filter needs to be changed out, but at the same time, usually every 12 months, these things need to be changed out too. So there are two buttons to eject the two cartridges out. So the front and rear cartridges will come out by pushing down on those two buttons. The filters and seals are very simple to maintain. They just pop right out. There are two little tabs on the top button and on the bottom button of the filters. You push that, it ejects the filter cartridge out, and you replace it. This is a new one that I just put in. I cleaned the machine already. I'm going to go ahead and align the rails on the top and bottom and slide back in and click it back on. So very, very simple to install. It just takes a few wipes to clean the system. I usually wipe down the inner fans and do a vacuum of it, as well as everything else on the surface. I'm gonna go ahead and power it back on, and it's just gonna go. Now the neat thing is that there's a little screen on the front that tells you the particle rating, as well as when to change out the filters, how to change out the filters, and the filter status. So now it's new and it works, and it's pretty awesome. Very simple. The app will also tell you as well. It's a complete breeze to maintain this thing. So I really do love this Dyson air purifier. Very, very awesome thing to get. They really nailed it with the user-friendly experience. Love it. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care.